Disentanglement Puzzle: How to set up and how to solve. Here are examples of failing at solving the puzzle. When you tug it in certain directions, it just ties a knot around the bracket. No matter how much you tug, it just won't come undone. Next are the materials needed to create this puzzle. You will need a wooden board with a bracket and 2 screws to hold it in place. You will also need paracord and a wooden ball with a hole cut through the center. This is what the complete and setup puzzle should look like. First, take the rope and form a folded loop. Then, push it through the metal bracket. Afterwards, take the ball and put it through the loop on the other side. Then, adjust the strings. Look at where they cross. Tuck that cross through the metal bracket to the other side. Fully adjust the strings to complete setting up the puzzle. Now, do you remember how we set the puzzle up? Here is how you do the inverse. The cross in the strings needs to be pushed upward through the bracket. Then, expand the gap in the strings so you can pull the ball through. It's easy once you know the trick. Please check the description for further build instructions. Thank you for watching!